Needle-assisted all-inside medial meniscal ramp lesion repair. The posteromedial compartment is visualized by performing the modified Gilchrist maneuver. The lesion can be evaluated by inserting a spinal needle through the posteromedial capsule. This needle can be used as a probe for estimation of the type and extension of the tear. The posteromedial portal is created and the lesion is debrided using an arthroscopic shaver. The edge of the tear are trimmed with a 90 degrees diamond rasp to remove the scar tissue and stimulate the healing response. A 20-gauge spinal needle is prepared on the side table by bending the tip with 2 surgical clamps, as we can see in the video. Through the posteromedial working portal, the curved spinal needle is placed through the capsular tissue as distal as possible, and then to the posterior horn of the medial meniscus. The arthroscope is turned back to the anteromedial compartment of the knee and a valgus stress is applied. The repair is performed using a first all-inside device through the anteromedial portal. A horizontal mattress suture is created in the upper surface of the meniscus, providing repair of the meniscocapsular ligament. After tightening the stitch, the gap at the tear closes, but the meniscus will be lifted up. A second all-inside suture is introduced from the same portal with the aim of creating a vertical mattress configuration on the inferior portion of the meniscus. The first implant is delivered in the undersurface of the meniscus, while the second implant is inserted inferior to the meniscus and in the posteromedial capsule. This suture should approximate the meniscotibial ligament and the meniscal tissue. The tightness of the repair should be tested with a probe through the anteromedial and anterolateral portal, and a final evaluation through a trans-notch view is recommended.